Concrete plays a key role in infrastructure building. For nearly 3 decades, Ajax has been the leader in concreting solutions with a range of innovative products. Ajax was founded in 1992. Ajax pioneered the concept of self-loading concrete mixers in India, a concept that changed concreting forever. Ajax product range includes self-loading concrete mixers, concrete batching plants, transit mixers, concrete pumps, boom pumps and concrete slip-form pavers. Today, Ajax is the world's largest manufacturer of self-loading concrete mixers. Ajax has 3 world-class manufacturing facilities near Bangalore. Our global quality standards ensure state-of-the-art equipment for our customers.